David, how do I get my hands on a triplex that is way overpriced? What? Value is probably $360 to $450, but they're asking $660. What?
You probably don't, David.
Yeah.
You probably don't, unfortunately. If there's always there's two parties in a transaction. There's a buyer, there's a seller. Always the sellers want more and the buyers want to pay less. The only time that comes together is when you have a seller who's motivated enough to put their property at a price that the buyer can get it at, or a buyer who isn't educated otherwise or doesn't know how to calculate numbers makes an offer on offering the seller whatever they want. No, it's too much and they're not going to cash flow, right? But I mean, if it's worth $330,000, they're asking $660. Literally, don't even burn a single other mental calorie on that.
No.
Just walk away. Go find other properties or other markets where the numbers make sense, because you're so far off. It's never going to happen. So just go focus on something that actually can,
Totally.
pay you.
Totally.
Multifamily or apartments, feel free to join our free private Facebook group. If you know that you want help, you want someone to hold your hand, and you want to be part of a mastermind and have coaching, all that you need to do is text the word freedom to 619-373-8461. So if you just want to see what is that about and how can I speed up my results and do it more safely, I'd be happy to chat with you about what your options are and see what we can do to help you along your journey.